Friends, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Arelees and I love baking treats and cooking up eats. Thank you all for liking the channel. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you to my new subscribers, my old subscribers who keep coming back. I greatly appreciate you all. For today, I'll be making for you some coconut cookies. Friends, let's get started. Friends, for your ingredients, you're going to be needing 3/4 cup of light brown sugar. You're going to be needing a cup and a quarter flour. This is 1 cup of shredded coconut. You're going to be needing a teaspoon of vanilla. I have here a 1/2 cup of butter. And friends, this is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and because I'm using the salted butter, I'm only using a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We have 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And friends, you're going to be needing 1 egg at room temperature. Friends, in your bowl, you're going to be mixing the flour. You'll be adding your baking soda, your salt, and here I'm going to be separating half of the coconut, which I'm going to be mixing to this portion. So half goes in now. And we're going to set this aside while we work on our butter and sugar. Now friends, in a separate bowl, we'll be mixing our sugar and butter together. So friends, now we're ready to mix the sugar and the butter together. Friends, now we're going to be adding in our egg. Friends, I'll be adding in a cupful of white overproof rum, and the reason for me doing this, I am smelling the egg, and the rum will cut the rawness of the egg. And that's optional. I'm doing it for me, but you don't have to add it to your mixture. Friends, now we're going to be adding our dry ingredients to the wet. And this is where you're going to be turning on your oven to 350. Now friends, I am going to be adding the other 1/2 cup of shredded coconut. However, you can toast the other 1/2 cup before you add it to your mixture, but it's optional. So tonight I won't be toasting the coconut. I'm just going to add it like that. And I'm going to use a spatula to just mix it around in the dough. The dough is very soft and nice. Look at that. So now I'm going to be using a ice cream scoop to scoop it out onto your baking tray. Friends, now I'm going to be scooping my cookie dough onto the baking sheet. The cookies have been in the oven now for 11 minutes, and we're just going to sit them there to cool in the pan for 2 to 3 minutes before we place them on the wire rack to cool completely. Friends, this is the end result of the coconut cookies. If you made it this far in the video, I thank you. I greatly appreciate you all. Don't forget to like, share, leave your comments, and subscribe. Please turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss a video. And I'll see you in the next one. God bless you all. Loads of love.